What's up and welcome back to the channel, y'all. It is me, the Holland ONG, and in today's video I actually wanted to talk about ProveX. That's right, post-chain Richard Heart launched ProveX sacrifice phase. So let's jump into these details. It says right here on the official website, you are sacrificing your coins to make a political statement. You believe in capitalism, the removal of the middleman, and replacing trust with proof. You are sacrificing your coins to prove you are serious about this belief. You have no expectations of profit from the work of others. You understand what you sacrifice can be sold and you will receive no benefit from it. Now, down here, there are a lot of people that donated a lot of money to make this thing come alive. So the community is in on it. 18 days left. We got $1.2 million that have already been sacrificed. And for some of y'all out there, y'all might be asking me, you know, what is ProveX? What is zero proof? Well, zero knowledge proofs are the technology that finally let the blockchain deliver true privacy without sacrificing verifiability. They're the reason projects like ProveX can claim replace trust with math, because the math literally proves you did the right thing without telling the world how or what you actually did. That's the magic behind most modern privacy coins and the core innovation of ProveX that's being built on. So pretty much, right, this is going to appreciate over time, and I'll get into that in a few minutes. But with zero knowledge proofs, you can now prove, right, that you sent money without showing your bank the details. And like if you own 100 Bitcoin, you can do that without showing your address. And when they ask for ID, guess what? It tells the system, hey, I'm over 18. I'm allowed to spend my money how I want to, right? But yeah, the blockchain checks the math in a split second, right? And it says, yep, this looks good, settles the deal, and nobody sees anything private. ProveX is building exactly that. Private instant swap, private DeFi, private everything, all backed by these magic math tricks that burn tokens every time someone uses the network. Zero knowledge proofs let prove you did the right thing while keeping your secrets perfectly secret. That's the future of real privacy on the blockchain, you guys, and that's how it's done. So with that being said, I wanted to go to some of my bookmarks, and as you can see, Shield Gates, shout out to you, my boy. Y'all make sure y'all go follow him, like and comment, retweet his post, support him. Okay, great guy. But right here, Richard says, see how easy it is to make $10,000 this winter, right? Shield Gates won the reward for just creating the logo of ProveX. So right here, Shield Gates says, so many people hating because I won and have a great eye for branding. Richard Hart, I own the enhanced license to the base logo, and I grant the permission to you. Thanks for choosing me. I left my address below in the tweet. ProveX is going to win so hard. And I do feel like that's very, very true. Now, Richard Hart also responded to a meme coin of ProveX. That's right. The token has not officially launched yet. Shield Gates shielded that as well. Like I said, we're going to get into details in a few minutes. And then Richard Hart had another contest, right? And I think this is for like 15K. Khaled Crypto actually created a website, like a mock-up website. And this is the one right here. Y'all can surf through it and go about it as you please. But if Crypto Khaled winds up winning, or anybody else, that's 15K. That's incredible that Richard Hart is supporting the community. Thank you so much. And right here he says, right, web design competition, ProveX.com, sites not up yet. $15,000 to the winner, choosing in 24 hours. By entering and winning, you assign all rights to anonymous donor who's choosing the winner and paying. So y'all check that tweet out too. Okay, there are a lot of good websites within there. So y'all go do some voting, comment up, right? And then right here we got the ProveX shield. I really like this logo, this enhancement. It's awesome. And right here is the meme coin that I was referring to, MrProve. Okay, so you can look at this as a parody token of ProveX. Obviously, this is not buying or selling advice, but I just wanted to break this down. So Richard responded with haha. Okay, so who knows if the community is going to pick the token up. And then right here, Richard Hart also put in a tweet saying the MrProve token only becomes more rare. It never inflates. It only burns. MrProve is automatically bought and burnt every time someone uses PrivateProver tech. So if we go over to just the meme coin, like I said, it's not launched. We're still in the sacrifice phase. And yeah, look at MrProve as a parity token. Okay. And right here, I don't see any burns. Okay, that's another thing. It's only 3K in the liquidity, but since it was launched in and bonded on pump tires, that liquidity is all automatically burned. So that's like what 3.3K that's already burned. No burns up in here on pump tires. So right now the token is like actually 99% down. And if you were to dollar cost per average, who knows what this can become of. Okay, so yeah, man, that is that for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, man, make sure y'all go follow one of my favorite tokens, which is Richard Simpson. Go give them a follow and like and repost their stuff. You know what I'm saying? Drop a comment down below. But yeah, man, this is the video. If y'all enjoyed it, make sure y'all subscribe, tap that notification bell. And with that being said, until next time, I will talk to y'all when I talk to y'all. Matter of fact, I will see y'all when I see y'all. It is me, the Holland, on God.